Anyone that's farming grapes or anything else, in the end you come to the realization of, if I'm going to do this right, I'm farming soil, I'm not farming a plant. If I can make the soil healthy and great and beneficial to the plant, the rest of it's going to do its own thing.
The deeper we got into this, the more that we realized it was not just simply eliminating the spraying of chemicals. It was building an ecosystem that supplied all of the things that the vines were going to need.
Before you change anything on the farm, you need to change the way you look at a vineyard.
Our vineyard manager, he sees a vineyard, all I see is pasture.
Regenerative farming is the only way to get a true expression of what that property is providing.
We're turning up the knob on terroir.
You need to have a happy, healthy labor force to make all that happen.
If we don't figure out a way to have agriculture be a part of the solution to these big global problems, they're not going to get solved.
It just makes you realize that this can be done. If you get everybody to farm regeneratively, the picture changes.
It gives me hope.